Did you hear that? I think I just heard the mail truck come. I better hurry up and get out there. Let's go. I don't know about you, but that's not genius or anything. One of those things where if it fits, it ships. That's right, guys. Diesel crate time. So thanks for stopping back by the channel again today, guys, here at Therustbeltmechanic. It has been one hell of a long week this week. There's still one day left to go. But you know what? That midweek special just came through here with the diesel crate. Guys over at dieselcrate.com are the ones who have been hooking us up with this awesome diesel stuff. This is box crate number 2 for us diesel guys. I know I've got a buddy who gets the loot crates, the knife crates, and I'm pretty jealous of that one. But you know what? I've got my monthly subscription now, and this is what I'm going to be unboxing. Last month I kind of cheated a little bit. I kind of sliced the package open a little bit, and just to get an idea what was in there. But this time, I'm opening it right now. Like, right now. You want to see what's in it? Do you? Let's have a look. So, open her up. Oh. A letter to the valued customer. We want to thank you for choosing our product to spend your hard-earned money on. We work hard to make sure that you have everything put in, blah, 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 and a couple of months awesome codes. So they give you coupon codes along with everything that comes in this awesome crate. Horn blasters and hot shot secrets. There's a couple of coupon codes in here. You're going to have to get your own to figure them out, though. I'm not going to give that much. First thing on top. Tiny white box. 1 inch by 1 inch by about 7 inches long. That's what she was hoping for. We got ourselves a nice light. It's like a stream light, pen light. LEDs along this side. LED on the top. No batteries in it. So I'll put some batteries in that here at the end of the thing. We'll have a look at how awesome that is. But it does have a little clip. A little bulky, but it works. Next thing in the crate. Oh man. So the next best thing to the 4th of July, we got a Don't Tread on Me flag. That's another good shout out to these guys. They are American born and bred kind of guys that are running this company, and they keep their things all American and what says American, but military, don't tread on me. That's awesome. Alright, put that up there. Another bottle of Hot Shots. I put this one in my truck last time. I'm going to do a video doing a couple of these treatments for the fuel, and this one I did put in there. I'll give you a little sneak peek into that one. I got about 1.5 miles per gallon better on using this stuff for 1 full tank. Put this into 1 tank. So it works. Not sure how great it works, but that part of it works. Alright, next one in the box. We got diesel crate, horn blaster stickers, diesel crate vinyl for window, and the Moanabe, the Spartan Warrior. There we go. Tactical Air USA, because what says air freshener more than a tactical air freshener. Pretty awesome. And a shirt. Horn blasters. Don't blow your temperature, blow your horns. Temper. Can't even read. So, you have to stick that one in a mirror to read that one. Check that out. Pretty neat. Pretty cool, guys. Oh, no. That's the front of the shirt even. Horn blasters is the back. There we go. And in here we've got the latest subscription to the Diesel Power magazine. This month's Diesel Power magazine. Got all your neat Diesel Power editions, guys' builds, parts, diesel porn, pretty much. I love it. And last month we got a shop rag. Hold on. That was not so smart. All that green stuff against a nice microfiber towel. It's like Velcro. Oh, that's horrendous. There's a nice green microfiber towel there. I'm going to have to spend about 15 minutes peeling that stuff off. But it seems to be a very nice microfiber towel. There we go. Something cool. That'll be really cool for keeping in there to keep the windshield all nice and clear. Alright, let's set them out, see what we all got all together. Here we have it, guys. That's it for this month in July. It's their second diesel crate, our monthly subscription of dieselcrate.com. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Get tuned into this channel because it's one channel that's definitely blowing up. Also, have a look at my previous couple of videos. I am doing a giveaway here. I'm giving away a $100 gift card to Amazon because a lot of the things that I do and go through on my channel are able to be purchased through Amazon. And on top of that, we're going to give you guys your very own 1-month subscription of Diesel Crate. I'll be doing the drawing for the winner this Sunday. I haven't decided whether I want to try live yet or if I'll just do it rolled into another video. It depends on what kind of cool stuff I come into between now and then, if I got something awesome to show you guys. Either way, I'm going to be doing the drawing this Sunday, July 8th, for you guys as a big thank you for subscribing to my channel, helping me grow, helping this awesome channel grow. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and as always, you guys stay awesome.